Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to align text vertically. So as example, I will type in it, move fast to cat, and you can type YouTube channel. Now you can select this text and I will move into the center. Next, you can go to layout menu and then click on pop up in back setup. To be sure for the back setup dialog box, and then you can click on the layout, or you can change page in here vertical alignments into center, and then I will apply to selected text. If you click OK, the text will be automatically aligned vertically like this. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to align text vertically. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.